Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar and not many people talk about them. At least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So I have another unboxing and first impression, and this is the continuation of the brand Orientica, which is a branch of Al Haramain, and I've been very impressed with them lately, especially for their lower price fragrances. I knew they do very well in higher price fragrances. I reviewed, unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, and they were top notch, very good. But then I went and bought some of their cheaper lineup to see how they go, and so far they've been very good, especially for the price. So this today unboxing is Orientica, and this one called SAK PASÉ EDP, and this one is usually they sell it on their website for £15, but if you go right now they have a sale on and it's half price, which is under £10 for 100 ml eau de Perfume. So let's do this unboxing. But before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your support will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much, and let's go. So it's a white with a little bit of yellow, SAK PASÉ EDP. This one again, another rich and Ritz line. Very simple box, same as the rest of this line, but different colorings. Quite nice for the money, again under £10. So I unboxed and reviewed two of this time before, one black bottle, one yellow, and this is the white one. And here we go, nice bottle. I'm not sure what they're going for, but they look good, they feel good in the hand. They thick bottle, very heavy cap, and the atomizer is usually very good on this line. Yeah, the atomizer is fantastic. So if you hear some background noise, I apologize. My neighbor having a renovation and I couldn't do anything about it. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go. First sniff, first impression for SAK PASÉ, and this is Pour Homme from Orientica. This is amazing. That is ridiculous. Under £10, and I am smelling something very familiar. OMG, this is very close to, you won't believe it, very close to Yves Saint Laurent Kouros. Yeah, very herbal, very soapy, little bit of animalicness. Obviously this one, the animalicness is little bit toned down. In the Kouros, the animalicness is come from the combination of the leather, the vetiver, and also the herbal feel to it. But here is little bit toned down, which is a good thing. Many people couldn't stand Kouros because of that animalicness, but here the animalicness is toned down. But mamma mia, the first sniff I knew what it was. It is very close to it. Mamma mia, very close. 95% close to Kouros by Yves Saint Laurent. Under £10. That is amazing. Yeah, so I can smell herbal, I can smell soapiness, which has come from the combination of florals in here, especially there are white florals in here, big lavender. I smell something minty as well, very woody. the vetiver and the tonka here are working fantastically well together, plus the leather. And this is, mamma mia, this is beautiful, and it's quite spicy. Yeah, spicy undertone, especially the cinnamon, little bit of cumin. Goodness me. This is a very, very pleasant surprise. I am over the moon because I personally love churros. But unfortunately, these days, if you buy churros, first of all, they are, they're not cheap, still going around 70, 80 pounds. But that's not a big problem with it. The problem is they don't perform anymore, and also they water down. The smell is not exactly the same, so many people are disappointed with it. They've been reformulating it for, I don't know, God knows how many times, but this is very close to the original and it smells fantastic. Wow, this is beautiful. Two good thing about this: it's very close to the original churros. And the other good thing about it, the animalicness is toned down, so it's not too animalic. It's not. It doesn't punch you in the face. It says, "Hold on a minute, did you like some animalicness? Here we go." No, this is more acceptable, more wearable, more palatable level of animalicness in here. Although there's still a little bit of that animalicness in here, but it's not huge. Also, I can smell something choky. Yeah, very choky and very it's like a choke like. So it's very choky, it's floral, it's soapy, it's herbal, especially the vetiver and the tonka here together with the leather, making it beautiful in the base. Very woody, floral, mamma mia, very, very complex and absolutely amazing value for money. So if you like churros under £10, here we go. Don't go anywhere else. At the moment it's filling the room, so in the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development, and things like that. But for first impression, 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10. I'm loving it because I'm a big fan of original churros, and this is just took me back to 1990s. Amazing. Okay guys, so this is 25 and up to be in the safe side, because again is similar to churros, so it is a little bit on the mature side, and it's very classic. It's yeah, I'm speechless. It's beautiful, it's amazing. So if you like it super masculine, if you like it classic, if you like it very close to churros, if you like it under £10, this is the bargain of century. Okay guys, and also this is all year rounder, because we know churros is so strong, you use it all year rounder. This is definitely all year rounder as well. 25 and up, and also this is, you can wear it casual, formal, evening, day, anything, even work, because this one, the animalicness is much less. You can wear it to work. Yeah, work, casual, going to gym even, no problem at all. So far so good, I'm loving it. Okay guys, I'll let you in the next video the rest of the story of this beautiful fragrance, but for now, amazing fragrance for under £10 for the price. Okay, so if you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are amazing value for money. They smell fantastic. They are ultra beast mode, very artistic, very unique, but you need to live in a kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.